Apple is preparing what could easily become the biggest upgrade in the history of the Apple TV lineup, and the upcoming Apple TV Pro for late 2026 looks absolutely insane compared to anything Apple has released before. For years, the Apple TV box was treated like a simple streaming device that mostly existed for people already deep inside the Apple ecosystem. It played movies, launched Netflix, opened YouTube, and that was pretty much it. But now Apple is pushing the device into an entirely different category. This is no longer just a tiny black box sitting under your television. It is turning into a full entertainment powerhouse that combines streaming, gaming, smart home control, artificial intelligence, and privacy-focused automation into one premium device. The jump from the older Apple TV 4K from 2022 to this new Apple TV Pro is massive in every possible way. The first thing everyone is talking about is the new A17 Pro chip. Apple is reportedly using the same ultra-powerful 3-nanometer processor architecture that already shocked people inside high-end mobile devices. Compared to the old A15 chip inside the current Apple TV, this new processor is expected to deliver around 40% more performance while also massively improving graphics power. That means smoother navigation, faster app launches, better multitasking, and a completely different level of gaming performance. Apple is finally taking gaming seriously on the big screen. This is the same chip architecture capable of hardware ray tracing, which allows lighting, shadows, and reflections inside games to look dramatically more realistic. Suddenly, the Apple TV is not competing with cheap streaming sticks anymore. It is entering the territory of lightweight gaming consoles. That creates a serious problem for devices like the NVIDIA Shield TV Pro. For years, the Shield dominated the premium streaming market because it had better performance than almost every competitor. But the Tegra X1 chip inside that device dates back to 2019 and now feels ancient compared to modern Apple silicon. The Apple TV Pro completely changes the performance gap. Streaming devices from Roku and Amazon also start looking weak in comparison, because most of them still focus almost entirely on media playback, with limited memory and low internal storage. Apple is reportedly pushing the Pro model with 8 GB of RAM, alongside huge 128 GB and 256 GB storage configurations. That is an enormous jump for a streaming box, and clearly shows Apple wants people downloading larger games and heavier applications directly onto the device. Gaming is honestly where things start becoming truly wild. Reports suggest the Apple TV Pro will run full AAA console-level games at stable frame rates, including titles like Resident Evil running at 60 frames per second. That would have sounded impossible for an Apple TV only a few years ago. But Apple has slowly been building toward this moment by bringing high-end gaming support across the iPhone, iPad, and Mac. The Apple TV Pro looks like the next major step in that strategy. Instead of buying a separate gaming console for casual living room gaming, many people may simply use the Apple TV Pro connected to wireless controllers. Developers are also becoming more interested in Apple Silicon, because the same games can now scale across multiple Apple devices with far less development work. The leaks surrounding this device are coming from some of the most trusted names in the industry. MacRumors reported the jump to the A17 Pro chip, while also mentioning that Apple will likely keep the same compact black box design. Bloomberg connected the release schedule directly with the rollout of iOS 27 and Apple's growing AI ambitions. Ming-Chi Kuo discussed the aggressive pricing strategy Apple may use to attract a much larger audience, while Mark Gurman explained that software delays tied to Apple Intelligence features are one major reason the device has taken so long to launch. Additional reports from tech journalists digging through Apple's software code even suggest that the Apple TV Pro branding itself is already appearing internally. The connectivity upgrades are another massive deal. Apple is reportedly building a completely custom wireless chip supporting Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6. This sounds technical, but the real-world impact is huge. Streaming large 4K or even 8K content demands stable high-speed internet, especially in homes packed with smartphones, tablets, laptops, gaming systems, and smart devices all fighting for bandwidth. Wi-Fi 7 can use the cleaner 6 GHz spectrum, dramatically reducing congestion and buffering issues. That means sharper streaming quality, lower latency, and more stable performance during heavy network traffic. People with fast internet connections may finally experience truly instant loading and ultra-smooth playback without random quality drops. Apple is also turning the Apple TV Pro into the center of the modern smart home. The device will reportedly act as both a thread border router and a Matter hub. That allows smart home devices from completely different brands to communicate seamlessly through one unified system. Instead of struggling with multiple apps and compatibility issues, users can control lights, blinds, locks, thermostats, and cameras through Apple's ecosystem more smoothly than ever before. Privacy is also becoming one of Apple's biggest selling points here, because many commands are expected to process directly on the device instead of constantly relying on cloud servers. That means faster response times and more secure handling of personal home data. One of the most requested upgrades is finally arriving with the redesigned Siri remote. Apple is reportedly adding the U1 tracking chip directly into the remote, which means users will be able to locate it using precision finding technology from their iPhone. Instead of digging through couch cushions for 20 minutes, users can simply follow on-screen arrows pointing directly toward the missing remote. Apple is also keeping USB-C charging, which makes the remote far more convenient than older Lightning-based versions. The biggest long-term feature, though, is clearly the new AI-powered Siri experience. Apple wants the Apple TV Pro to understand natural conversation instead of requiring exact commands. Rather than searching with precise movie titles, users will reportedly be able to say things like, "Find that action movie with Ryan Reynolds from a few years ago," or "Show me a funny series similar to what I watched last weekend." The AI system will reportedly analyze viewing habits across multiple streaming services instead of only Apple TV Plus, making recommendations much smarter and more personalized. Some leaks even suggest the system can automatically adjust picture settings and color calibration based on room lighting conditions in real time. As for pricing, Apple appears to be preparing two separate versions. A more affordable base model could launch around $99 by removing features like Ethernet, while the true Apple TV Pro with the A17 Pro chip, larger storage options, and premium gaming capabilities may land around $149. Considering it combines a streaming box, gaming system, AI assistant, and smart home hub into one product, that pricing honestly sounds surprisingly competitive. Current reports point toward a September 2026 announcement alongside the next generation of iPhones and the official launch of iOS 27. If these leaks turn out to be accurate, Apple may completely redefine what people expect from a streaming device forever. vidIQ.